and welcome to Snowstorm in a Jar. I'm super excited about this experiment activity that you can do right in your own home. You just need a few things. Number one, you'll need a jar, okay? You will also need water and some white paint, also some glitter if you want to make it nice and sparkly, all right? Also, you will need some oil, preferably baby oil if you have it, but cooking oil will work. And the zing to the experiment is going to come in this, the Alka-Seltzer tablets, all right? So those are all the ingredients you will need to do this snowstorm in a jar. Next, let's put it all together and see what happens. First, we're going to add the water. About a cup of water in your jar. All right. Then you are going to add your paint. To your cup of water, it's about 1 teaspoon of paint. So I got my little teaspoon thing out there to measure that out. All right. Now watch what happens when I pour the paint into the water. Kind of stays like a blob, right? Well, I want to mix this up. So I'm going to take my measuring spoon and give it a good mix. And you can see that the water is dissolving the paint. Now it's starting to look like milk. All right. So we have our water and we have our paint. Now we can add the glitter. Put some silver in there. I also have some white. Put some white in there. Okay. Now that we have that, we can add the oil. Now, just like when I added the paint to the water, I want you to watch very closely what happens when I pour the oil into the paint water mixture. You're going to need quite a bit of oil for this experiment. So you can very clearly see the water paint mixture at the bottom and the oil at the top. It looks like the oil is sitting right on top of the water paint mixture. Well, maybe it just didn't mix well. Let me see. Let me give it a stir and see what happens. It looks like the paint water mixture is settling again on the bottom and the oil is settling on the top. So that's why they say water and oil don't mix. All right, let's make some bubbles. Are you ready? This is the Alka-Seltzer tablet. And as I said, we're going to make some bubbles. And this is going to cause our storm, the snowstorm in a jar. Let's see what happens. You just break up your Alka-Seltzer tablet and drop them in. Oh, look. Here comes the storm. Oh yeah, you can even hear the storm. I'm gonna put some more in. So what's happening here? Well, in the Alka-Seltzer tablets, there are a base and an acid. And when those two things hit water, they cause a chemical reaction and make gas. Not that kind of gas. This is carbon dioxide gas, and that's what's making the bubbles. And that's what's making our snowstorm. So, if you make a snowstorm yourself at home, take a picture of it and send it to us and post it on our Facebook page. We'd like to see your own storm that you make. Hope you enjoyed this experiment. Thanks. Bye.